Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to configure webhooks in BoldDesk. In addition, I'll show you how to manage webhooks. Connecting disparate applications is possible with the help of webhooks. Each time an event occurs on the BoldDesk application, relevant event data is wrapped into a serialized format and sent to a webhook URL linked to the third-party application. BoldDesk offers the webhook feature that allows the sending of real-time data from one application to another whenever a specific event occurs, improving user experience and guaranteeing timely and effective communication. Now, let's see how to set up a webhook in BoldDesk. First, log into your BoldDesk account as an administrator and navigate to the Admin module. Then, click Webhooks under the Automation section to open the webhook listing page. Next, click the Add Webhook option to open the webhook configuration page. Here, provide a webhook name and description. Then, select the module and the events to trigger the webhook. For example, to receive data when a ticket is created or when a ticket reply is added to a ticket, select the Tickets module, with Created and Reply Created as events. Next, specify the destination URL where the webhook data will be received. You can also insert placeholders in the URL structure using the Insert Placeholder option. Next is an option to enable authentication for user identity verification. When enabled, you can use the password authentication method, which requires a user to provide a username and password, or choose API key authentication. You can also enable the signing option. Then, enter the secret key, which is used to sign the payload, and generate a signature sent in the header with base 64 encoding. This can be used to verify the payload's integrity at the receiver's end. You can also use a custom header that allows the sending of extra data to the destination URL. To use this option, mark the checkbox and enter the header key and value. Then, click the Add button. You can find detailed information about keys and values from the documentation link in the video's description. The next step is to define conditions, an option provided only for the Tickets module. When a ticket satisfies the specified condition, data will be transmitted to the defined destination URL. Next, let's see how to configure the webhook payload. In the Payload section, on the Content Type drop-down list, choose a data format to receive the webhook payload. Then, choose the body content as default or advanced payload. The advanced type helps frame a custom payload with Insert Placeholders support. The default payload allows you to include all fields in the payload or select the required fields to be sent as a payload. Finally, click the Add button to create the webhook. Based on the configurations made, real-time BoldDesk data will be sent to the third-party application's destination URL whenever an event occurs in BoldDesk. Finally, I will show you how to manage webhooks in BoldDesk. On the webhook listing page, there is an option to edit. Click the edit icon next to the webhook, modify the details, and click the Update button to update the changes. You can also deactivate or delete a webhook by clicking the More Options icon. You can also activate a webhook if deactivated. That's it. In this video, I explained how to configure and manage webhooks in BoldDesk. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.